Screen is visible and audio is visible.
Fine. So let me continue here from here. So yeah, this is where we stopped yesterday, I believe. No, sorry. This is where we discussed yesterday. Now today, to continue with this, let me give you one more example. Sum is equal to 0. Values are 1, 3, 5, 7. For number in values, sum is equal to sum plus number. Print sum. What is the answer? Fast. Can I have your answers here? Yes. Dear students, good evening. Let us start with this question. The sum is equal to 0 initially. Number in the values. Sum is equal to sum plus number. Print the sum. So 1, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 3 is 5. Sorry, 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Is the answer? Is it clear? So, iteration is now taking place through the elements in a list. This is what I want to tell you. The first point I want to tell you is Python see, it will take element from each list because I'm saying the number is from the values. Whatever it may be, element, okay, digit, whatever it is. When I just put, then whatever this number indicates, the number is indicated element in the value. Element in the value. Value is a list actually. We will be studying about this data type soon. What is the meaning of this square bracket? Clear? Okay. Fine. So, what is the last thing printed when the following code is run? Number is equal to 0. While number is less than or equal to 10, that means the iteration goes up to 10, right from 0. So you will get 11, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Print number. Number is equal to number plus 1. Number is equal to number plus 1. This is increment value. So what will happen? So the last element is going to be 10. Right? Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm asking only what is the last thing printed when the following code is run. Clear? This is how my while loop will work. All simple examples I have shown you to make you understand how while loop works. Let the output is initially is empty. Variable 1 is equal to -2. Variable 2 is 0. While variable 1 is not equal to 0. Variable 1 is equal to variable 1 plus 1. Variable 2 is equal to variable 2 minus 1. Print the variable 1 and variable 2 separately. Nearby. May I know the answer? Can I have your answers? See, we are almost 6th day. We have to gear up. We cannot keep making things very slow. And that too today, I want to be a little fast because of some thing. I don't know, like how when the things will get right. Make it fast. There are some connectivity issues. Guys, are you able to use the chat box? Can I have your answers? Are you not aware of this answer? This program? Okay. Let me help you. So hope -2, 0. Okay. Here, variable 1 is equal to variable 1 plus 1. That is, first round it will become -2 plus 1. The answer is -2 plus 1 is equal to -1. Variable 2 is 0 minus 1. That answer is also again -2. Now loop will change. That is iterate. Second iteration, variable 1 is not equal to 0. Yes, variable 1 is not equal to 0. Now it is -1. So variable 1 plus 1. So -1 plus 1 is 0. -1 plus 1 is 0. Variable 2 minus 1. Variable 2 is -1. -1 minus 1 is nothing but minus. Again the loop will go. It will check what is the variable 1. Variable 1 is 0. But it is saying that go through the loop only when variable 1 is not equal to 0. But now it's already 0. Loop will get stopped. Exit. Now in this exit condition, variable 1 is 0. Variable 2 is -2. So variable 1 is 0. Variable 2 is -2. That is the answer. Clear? Have you understood? Any questions about this program? How many asterisks will be printed when the following code executes? For x is equal to, for x in 0, 1, 2, 3, for y in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I am making a nested loop introducing you the concept. Print star. For x in 0, 1, 2, 3, for y in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, print x. Can someone guess the answer? I don't want you to guess. Understand and give me the answer. Twenty stars. How? I am happy with Monica. She has given the first answer. 20. So let me know, ma, how it is happening. Just one line explanation. Just one line. Type something in a very short form. I will make it clear. That's correct. Iteration for every variable in y. That's true. See, for every variable in the outer loop, the inner loop will iterate that many times. See, for 0, it will iterate for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many times now? First 0. Taking 0, it will enter into the while loop. While loop, there is in inner loop. Inner loop will iterate for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times it will be printed? 5 times. Then 1, again 5, then 2, again 5, then 3, again 5. So totally 4 into 5 are 20. Clear? Any questions about nested loop now? So this is a structure how a nested loop will work. Inner loop will iterate 5 times. So 4 times into 5 is equal to 20. N is equal to 10. Answer is equal to 1. While n is greater than 0, okay, fine. Condition is answer plus n. N is equal to n plus 1. Print answer. What is the answer for this one? If you understand these programs and when you are able to guess the answer, that means that you are good at loops. Okay, I will explain you. See the first step, n is equal to greater than 0. So 10, it's always greater than 0. Now answer is equal to, answer is already 1. 1 plus 10 is 11. Again increment of n as 11. What will happen now? Someone can give me the answer. So I really appreciate Monica for giving the answer for the previous question. Yes, Parvati, excellent. Infinite loop. May I know the reason? Fast, come on, quick. What is the reason? Where it is going wrong? N is always greater than n. Fine. Super. Give them big hands. Okay, super. My dear friends, Parvati and Bhargavi. Yes, Swapna. Excellent. Okay. Friends, do one thing. How will you fix this issue? How will you fix this issue? The infinite loop should be changed to finite loop. What change you will do it in this program? N is equal to n minus 1 should be changed as n is equal to n minus 1. Good. Good, 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 good. Here I should write it as n minus 1. So what will happen? N will keep on decrementing. Finally, n will become 0. Condition will fail. Then you will get out of the loop. Venkateshwar, the problem is when you keep n is equal to 0 initially, the loop will not iterate. The reason is loop will iterate only when n is greater than 0. So that is the problem. You will not be able to enter into the loop itself. So there I cannot do any change. Decrement is the right solution. Bhargavi is the right person, is the correct answer. Bhargavi, I have given the correct answer. Bhargavi, may I know which department you are in? If you are interested, you tell me. Otherwise, leave it. Not necessary. Just to know whether it's your logical way or okay. So you know the program fundamentals. That's great. Good. I appreciate you. I want answers from civil, mechanical, triple E. Okay, those students, I want you people to come and think logically. So see, one thing I'll tell you: programming language is not only for CSE department. Really, 100% sure. You type any foreign university now, take the syllabus. Okay, programming language will be there for mechanical engineers, textile engineers, plastic engineers, rubber engineers. Everybody will have, marine engineers will have programming language. Why you are going to college and now 6th standard students are studying? We take CBSE syllabus and some government school syllabus. 10th standard, 11th standard, they have C language. 12th, they have artificial intelligence. Concepts are there. So my dear engineers, future engineers, please don't hesitate. Don't think this is the medicine given only for CSE, not for us, we can enjoy. Nothing like that. This is a coding language, that's all. It's a code, but used in computer. That's why I don't think that computer in the name only computer science students will do it. Mechanical engineer will never touch computer. Then how flights will fly? Then how submarines will go? Then how will you launch rockets without computer? You are a mechanical engineer. How will you design a car? You are an electrical engineer. How will you design your remote without having any coding? So coding is a common scenario for everybody. So I want everyone to show interest, irrespective of thinking that it is something done only by that branch and this branch. I am no way I connected to this. It's a wrong ideas. In that case, you are not supposed to even play mobiles and games, other games also. That is also belongs to computer, right? Facebook is computer. Relevant software. WhatsApp is a relevant software. Why are you using softwares then? So I want you to have a change in the attitude, right? So let us start. Uh, let us go for the next program. So n starts at 10 and it is incremented by 1 each time through the loop. So it is always be a positive. For letter in Python, if letter is equal to h, continue, print current letter plus letter. What is the output here? I am waiting for your answers. For loop is used. If class statement is used, continue is used. Combination of 3 different tactics. What is the answer? In print statement, I'm using a plus. Current letter P. Okay. That's all. Current letter P, current letter Y, current letter T. Yes, Parvati and Bhargavi is giving correct answers, except H, P, Y, T. H will not be printed. O and N will be printed. Current letter O, current letter N. Yes, excellent. Give them big hands for Bhargavi. She has given the correct answer. P, Y, T, no H, O, N. Python. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Sai Krishna, Bhargavi, and I got one more answer also. Let me see. Yeah, Swapna, all have given, Parvati have given correct answers. Good, 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 good. Excellent. Excellent, ma. Nice. Print the sum of the reciprocals of first 100 natural numbers. Wow. How will you write a code? Print the sum of reciprocals of first 100 natural numbers. Can you try yourself? Don't want exact code or pseudo code or something. I just want at least algorithm. Like first print the sum of the reciprocals of first 100 natural numbers. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus like that up to 1 by 100. Can someone give a try using for loop? I don't want the exact answer. I just want you to write some scribble some lines like in English and then just throw it in the chat box. Like these are the steps. First step I have to write like this. Second I have to write. Third I have to. Fourth this. Fifth is print. Like that. Are you giving a try? Yes, Python. Yeah, I is equal to 0 initially. Okay. For I in the range of 1 plus 1 up to n plus 1. Super, super. Then next. Good. Super. Go ahead, Bhargavi. Fine. For I in the range of 1 up to n plus 1. Okay, super. I is equal to 0 initially. V is equal to V plus 1 by 1 by I square. Okay, I will take it as 1 by I. Okay. For I in the range of 0 to 101, K is equal to 1 by I print K. Our answer is from Leela Krishna. Super. Super, sir. Super. That's all, right? Very simple. Super, sir. So, is K is equal to the inverse. You have to keep adding it, right? That is one thing that you have to add, right? So sum is equal to 0. That is whatever you have taken, I is equal to 0, like that. Okay. Sum should be the reciprocal of the sum. Now, when I use this for loop, for I in the range of 1 to 101, R sum is equal to R sum plus reciprocal. Okay, this one statement, that's all. Or you use I. Okay, K is equal to, somebody have used K. Whatever, it's fine. It's simple. So whatever it is. But this is the formula. K is equal to K plus 1 by I. So I will appreciate the persons whoever have given the correct answers. I really appreciate the persons whoever have tried to give the answers. That is the first thing I want to say. Correct answer is confidence. Okay, trying to give the answer is courage. Okay, I appreciate the people who are having both courage as well as confidence. So first you should have courage. Only then you will get confidence. If you don't have a courage, then you will never come to confidence. Am I true? Guys? Okay. So first you have to give a try, man. That is what the courage should. Okay. This many problems we have seen. What is wrong in giving an answer? 3 lines. That too, I don't want exact answer. I just want you to simply write an English statement. Okay, fine. So how many of you want to ask questions, clarifications in this? At least let me know whether you have courage to ask questions here. Yeah, what are the questions? Any other questions, explanations you want in this program? So this is how some small programs will help you to start writing loops. Okay. Okay, about more applications of the for loops in the part of patterns, that is exclusively should be done in one full class continuously for more than an hour at least will go. Let me see after completing these loops and functions, if possible, then we will discuss that. Okay, that will be more interesting. So this slide can be skipped for that. Good question here. This is what I want. Why are sum is in the float values, sir? Excellent question, man. Nobody asked me this question. Excellent question. Why should I make 0.0 and why should I give 1.0 here? Can anyone answer me? Because you never asked the question. No. Now at least you give answers. See, you cannot be like this. Either you should ask questions, otherwise somebody will ask question, you have to answer. Why are some is in floats values, sir? Why I have taken Python takes only float values? No, sorry, it's not like that. Venkateshwar Rao, no. Reciprocals are must be in decimals. Wow, once again, big claps for our friend Bhargavi. Reciprocals, because when you take 1 by 2, what is the answer, my dear friend? 0.5. 1 by 3, 0.3333. 1 by 4, 0.25. 1 by 5, 0.2. So all are decimals, right? Predicting that it is going to be my output is going to be a decimal. Let me guess and take the values in the form of decimal. So it is a simple logic. That's it. Okay. It's not a formula. It is not a rocket science. It's not a theorem. Nobody wrote this. Simple understanding. Simple understanding. Prediction. Mathematics predictions. Same like that. Okay. Any other good questions like this? I appreciate our friend who asked me this question. Leela Krishna. Yeah, Narayana Sadhu. Okay, fine. Nice, nice. Good questions. Very nice. May I know which department from you are from? No, why the reason I'm asking you the department? It is none of my business, but still I'm asking you because I want to see whether other department students are actively interacting in this kind of programming languages. That gives us a confidence like, okay, students are good. Okay. Because whoever know the basics, what is the use of telling them? So we want people to learn new things. So that's why the college management faculty members have taken this effort to bring you class after 7 o'clock, right? See, what is the ambition behind this? What is the agenda behind this kind of programs? It's not a time pass, right? So your team, your management have taken that much of an effort to make people to read, to learn new things. Okay, then learning is continuing even after your college hours. You should understand what for this. Fine. Okay, we'll go on to the next question. Good. Thank you. It's nice, easy. Good, fine. So general form, sequence statement, range, SED. I told you no start, stop, step. SED. Start, stop, step. When I say range S, E is equivalent to range SE1. By default, one is there. Don't think who is giving steps, sir. Nobody is giving steps. But if nobody gives, computer will take it as one. That is compiler will take it as one. A range of E is equivalent to 0 comma E. See, you can say why there are three digits. Sorry, three elements are important arguments, but nobody writes sometimes all the three. Sometimes they will write one, sometimes they write two. Very few times they will write three. In that case, what is the default value? Understand this. Can you try this and come to me with answers? What if D is negative? Use Python interpreter to find out. What if D is negative? SED. So I'm asking you, what will happen if D is negative? Try this and come back. Print all odd numbers which is less than 10. So a simple thing. I have given you the hint. What will be the output of this following program? So whenever the number is exactly divisible by 0, it will not print. All other numbers will be printed. So 1 will be printed, 2 will not be printed, 3 will be printed, 4 will not be printed, 5 will be printed, 6 will not be printed, 7 will be printed, right? So if you have any questions, you can ask me, my dear friends. I think, yes, 13579. Pratisha, Bhargavi, good. That is the answer for this question. That's good. So, see here, continue does not bypass, it just update expressions for the while loops. I is not incremented when even number encountered. Infinite loop. Am I right? If step is negative, then reverse of the numbers will be printed. Yes. Sriveni, good. Okay. Try it with your compilers also and come back with some good examples. I will also discuss this about this tomorrow. Because let us not confuse them. It's good. It's good. Sriveni, it's correct. But here, see, I kept one small tip here. I is equal to I plus 1. By seeing the program, you will come to this answer. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But nobody bothers about I is equal to I plus. It's a while loop. While loop, I will be in the range. But here, what I'm saying, I want I value to be incremented. When it is incremented, when even number is encountered, so what will happen? It will become an infinite loop. So bitwise, we have already studied enough things. Now we are moving to functions. So loops with a lot of practices in your platform. Hope you can come out with more questions. We will discuss more in the days to come. Okay, let us start with functions. What is meant by F? That is functions. This is what I said. I'm facing this issue. Okay, if my class gets discontinued at the earliest, kindly excuse this because there is a connectivity issue. That's what I told you. Okay, I'm out of thing that I need some time to fix it. So let it run as long as we can. Then we will meet again in the next class. So I'll run fast with the slides. The function is nothing but write it once, use it multiple times. I write a code once and then use it for multiple times. See if it's for a picture is given to you very clearly. How to pour, it's a funnel. I can use it for multiple cans to be filled, right? With the same funnel. Because the funnel knows how to bring the liquid sharp towards the bottle. That is the output. So this funnel is now function. So do it once, repeat it multiple times. Write a code for once, use it for multiple times. Use it for multiple times. That is called as function. The students, please note down carefully. Okay, this is the important part of this programming language. If you start understanding, it will be easy for you while coming to the oops concepts and all. For all feature concepts, these are all the basic things. So let us take definition of max A and B, A comma B. I'm using so many words here. Def, def, return. So all new words are, I don't understand. What is this? Till now you never used all this. Now we are using it. Don't worry about it. Forget about this def, return and all. Okay. Return is, just think it is a return, print. Definition, maybe the name of the program, something like that. I will give you all explanations. Don't worry. Forget about the first two lines like definition, max, A, B and all. Understand the concept. If A is greater than B, print A, else print B. This is how my if else statement will work. First time, what I'm trying to do is, usually I used to give A is equal to 5, 6, B is equal to 4. Usually I will write here. What will I write? I'll write here as initially A is equal to 5 or B is equal to 4. So program completed, happy. Now your friend is saying, "Arey bhaiya, can you add -5 and -8?" Then what do you do? You will come, take the program, change it again for -5 and -4. Then some of your another friend is coming. Arey, I want to add 1000 and 1500. Now tell me what to do. Then again you will write x equal to 1000, x equal to 1000, y is equal to 1500. How many times you can change it like this? Don't do that. Okay. What now computer, there is Python or any programming language having a facility is like, I can easily remove it, that is repeat it n number of times by using this functions. That is, write a simple calculator function. This is a calculator. You give the input, it will give the output. Ready-made, just like in noodles. You just pass the input, it will give the output. Everything mixture, everything is there. That masala, everything is mixed. So here the masala, the formula is kept inside. And for this, the name is also there. As you said, noodles. Here it is max. You can put your name also. You can put Narayana, you can put Sambat, you can put Ajay, whatever name you want to put. Definition for Ajay, definition for Sambat, anything you can. But let it be meaningful about what is the function. So this function is to find out whether A is bigger or B is bigger. So max. You use bigger, definition bigger or larger, something like that. But don't use any keywords. Okay. So A comma B, return maximum among A and B. Sir, def is predefined or user defined? We have both, my dear friends. Now at present we are studying about user defined. I'll show you functions when it comes to hooks, and when it comes to packages, I'll show you how the functions are already predefined. Functions also will be used. Don't do. Okay, now it is user defined. First of all, let me ask you one thing. Why do you want to know whether it is a predefined or user defined? How will you differentiate something as a predefined or user defined?